If you're trying to figure out which LMS software is actually worth your time and money, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down 5 of the most talked about learning management systems for employee training, comparing them honestly, and showing you exactly why one of them stands above the rest. Let's get into it. Number 5, Google Classroom. If you already live inside the Google ecosystem, Google Classroom feels familiar from day one. It's free with any Google Workspace plan, and it handles basic assignment distribution, communication, and progress tracking cleanly. For simple employee onboarding or small team training, it can get the job done. But here's the honest problem. Google Classroom doesn't natively support SCORM or XAPI, which are the standard formats for professional e-learning. It also lacks proper analytics for tracking training ROI, offers minimal customization for branding, and has poor automation capabilities that most HR and L&D teams genuinely need. Google Classroom is best suited for schools and educators, not as a primary LMS software for organizations that need serious compliance tracking or advanced reporting. Bottom line, great free tool, wrong use case for most businesses. Number 4, LearnDash. LearnDash is a powerful WordPress-based LMS software that gives course creators a lot of flexibility. It's built for organizations that want full control over their website, content, pricing, and student data. And it supports advanced quizzes, drip content, certifications, and gamification. The catch is that it requires a WordPress installation to run, which means your IT overhead goes up immediately. Advanced features like recertifications, reporting, and multi-tier user management and those add-ons can cause compatibility issues or slow performance. For businesses that want a clean out-of-the-box corporate training solution without managing a WordPress stack, LearnDash adds friction. Plugin pricing starts at $199 per year and scales up significantly once you start adding the features most training teams actually need. Great for WordPress users and course creators. Overkill for most corporate training teams. Number 3, Moodle. Moodle is one of the most recognized names in the learning management system world, and for good reason. The core platform is 100% free and open source, with over 2,000 plugins that can extend it in almost any direction. It's been trusted by universities and large enterprises globally for decades. But free does not mean simple. The admin interface has 400 plus settings and overwhelms non-technical users from day one. The default interface looks dated compared to modern SaaS platforms, and mobile responsiveness issues affect some features without the dedicated app. For corporate employee training, where speed of deployment matters, Moodle often requires a developer, a hosting partner, and weeks of configuration before your first course goes live. Managed hosting from Moodle partners can run from $5,000 to $50,000 or more annually, depending on your scale and support needs. If you have a technical team and a long runway, Moodle is powerful. If you need to launch employee training next week, it's the wrong call. Number 2, SAP Litmos. SAP Litmos is a serious enterprise-grade LMS software designed for mid to large organizations. SAP Litmos is a serious enterprise-grade LMS software designed for mid to large organizations. Users consistently highlight ease of use and fast deployment as its strongest points, and the platform covers compliance training, mobile training, gamification, and solid reporting out of the box. For companies already using SAP products like SuccessFactors or SAP HR tools, Litmos offers smoother integration than most third-party learning management systems. The drawbacks are real though. Pricing escalates quickly, especially once you add the content library, which is raising serious concerns about long-term cost efficiency. Pricing is not listed publicly and is entirely quote-based, with estimates ranging from $6 to $15 per user per month, depending on plan and content bundles. For smaller businesses or teams just building out their corporate training infrastructure, Litmos can feel like paying enterprise prices for features you're not fully using yet. Solid platform for bigger organizations, harder to justify for SMBs watching their budget. Number 1, ProProfs LMS. This is where the conversation completely changes. ProProfs LMS is one of the easiest LMS software solutions for employee training on the market. It is a cloud-hosted, AI-powered LMS software built to be learner-centric with anytime, anywhere access, and a setup process that takes minutes, not weeks. More than 4 million users in 150 plus countries rely on ProProfs LMS to build smarter employees, and the platform is trusted by organizations including Adobe, Acer, Zoho, and Thermo Fisher Scientific. What separates it from every other learning management system on this list is how effortlessly it handles the full employee training lifecycle. You get an AI course creator that generates complete course outlines from a single topic prompt. You get a drag and drop builder that lets anyone on your team create professional corporate training content without any coding. You get a library of 500 plus expert designed, ready to use courses covering compliance training areas like HIPAA, OSHA, sexual harassment prevention, and you get fully automated reminders, certificates, and tracking, so nothing falls through the cracks during onboarding or compliance cycles. Custom reports for individuals and groups give you access to course participation, progress, and completion rate, with time spent tracked at the module level. Every piece of data you need to prove your employee training is working is right there in the dashboard. Gamification features, white label customization, mobile-first design, and support for over 70 languages make it the most complete LMS software for businesses of any size. And unlike a few other tools, the pricing is fully transparent. Plans start at $299 per learner per month, with a forever free option for smaller teams, making it the most accessible learning management system on this entire list. And there's one more thing. ProProfs LMS doesn't just stop at training delivery. Built into the platform is ProProfs Quizmaker, the world's leading online quiz software. And this is where your employee training gets a serious upgrade. With ProProfs Quizmaker, you can create secure, professional-grade assessments in minutes using AI. It supports 20 plus question types, from multiple choice and fill in the blank to hotspot and video responses. The platform includes 200 plus expert designed psychometric and skill assessment, a library of over 100,000 ready to use quizzes, and anti-cheating tools like tap switch prevention, proctoring, and randomized questions. It handles automated grading, certificates, and compliance reminders all in one place. Whether you're testing knowledge after corporate training, running pre-employment assessments, or managing annual compliance testing, ProProfs Quizmaker handles all of it without switching platform. The bottom line? Google Classroom is too limited for serious corporate training. LearnDash requires technical overhead most teams don't have. Moodle is powerful, but complex. Litmos is enterprise-grade, but expensive and opaque on pricing. ProProfs LMS gives you the most complete LMS software experience, from employee onboarding and compliance training to ongoing skill development and quiz-based assessments, all in one intuitive platform that literally anyone can use from day one. You can start completely free, no credit card required. Want to see how it handles everything from employee onboarding to compliance? Head over to ProProfstraining.com and try it free, no strings attached.